Good morning, children. Today we will learn from question number 3 how to bisect these angles. In my last video I have taught you how to construct with the help of compass 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. Okay, today we will understand how to bisect these angles. Let us see. Here I have explained you how to construct an angle of 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. Yes, let's understand how to bisect it. Okay, bisection of angle is very easy. This is 60 degree angle we have constructed. First of all, we will measure this angle. This is up to like this. Okay, can you see it properly? You will put your compass here and pencil at the other arm of the angle. This is the measurement. Okay, with this measurement only we are going to cut two arcs. Putting your compass here, cut an arc here and put your compass at the other arm of this angle. Okay, and cut an arc here. Two arc we have cut from here to here and here to here. Now we will join this, which this point of intersection we have got and this point of intersection. We are going to join this. Okay, so this 60 degree is bisected into two equal half. Bisection means dividing an angle into two equal half. This is 60 degree, so this half will be 30 degree and this half will be 30 degree. 30, 30, 60. Okay. Now how to bisect 90 degree? Same process. Any angle you will bisect with the same process. First you have to measure this angle. Means open the compass according to your angle like this. Measure it. Now put your compass here and cut an arc like this. And put your compass at the other arm of the angle and cut an arc like this. Okay, and just bisect it. Okay, this is 45 degree and this is also 45 degree. Similarly 120 degree, just open your compass according to your angle like this. Okay, now cut an arc this side, put your compass here, cut an arc like this. Okay, now this 2 point you have to join. This 120 half is 60, 60, 60, 60, 120. This is called angle bisector. Okay, now let's come to the exercise. Yes, question number 3 of your exercise, we have to draw these angles first and then we have to bisect it. You understood how to bisect? Now draw how to draw 30 degree. Understand it. 30 degree is just half of 60 degree. So first we will draw 60 degree. Any radius you take and make an arc. 60 degree I have taught you that day only. Cut one arc here. Okay, and join this point and this point. This is 60 degree. Now you have to make 30 degree. How to make 30 degree? We will bisect this angle to make 30 degree. This is the measurement. Now put or make an arc here. Put your compass here. Okay. This point and this point you have to join. This is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. But you have to make 30 degree. After that you have to bisect 30 degree. So this is our 30 degree, this angle. Okay. So we are going to bisect now. First measure this angle's arc like this. Can you see? Now cut an arc here and cut another arc here. we are going to join this point and this point. Okay, this is 30 degree, half is 15 degree and 15 degree. Okay, now we are going to make 60 degree angle. 60 degree we will make first, after that we will bisect the angle. 60 degree right now I have explained you. This is 60 degree, one arc only we cut for 60 degree. This point and this point we will join. This is 60 degree. Okay, after that we have to bisect this angle. Bisection, first we measure this arc like this. Okay, then put the compass at one arm and cut an arc here. Put your compass at the other arm and make an arc here. Now we have to join this point and this vertex. This is bisection. Okay, this is 30 degree and this is 30 degree. Simple. Now we are going to make 90 degree and we will bisect. Can you do, students, 90 degree just like this? First you will draw 90 degree, or you have forgot to draw 90 degree. Let's see one more time. First we will make an line segment. After that make an arc. Then put your compass here and make another arc. Then at this intersection point put your compass, make another arc here. Now one arc up, one arc down, means up only from here to here and here to here. Now we are going to join this point and this point. This is our 90 degree angle, but we have to bisect it. So bisection, very simple. Measure the arc. Okay, cut an arc here, another arc here, join this 2 point. This is 45 degree and this is also 45 degree. Next is 120 degree and after that bisection. 120 degree is simple. Make an arc. I have told you 2 times 60 is equal to 120 degree. Yes or no? 60 plus 60, 120. This is 60 degree. Now again put your compass here. This is 120 degree. Okay. 60 plus 60, 120. Now join this 2 point. This is 120 degree angle. Now we are going to bisect it. How to bisect it? First, open the compass according to its arc measurement. Measure it. Now one arc here. Put your compass at the other arm. One arc here. This point and this point you have to join. This is 60, this is 60. This is the angle bisector. Next is 135 degree. This is very important. How to draw 135? 135 is equal to 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 is equal to 135. So for this we will draw first 90 degree, then 45 degree. Okay. So draw 90 degree. Here we will draw 90 degree at middle. As I have told you, we can draw angle here, 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 anywhere. So I am going to draw it at middle. Why? You will understand later on. Let's see first why I am making at the center. This we are going to make 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, you know, I have explained you. This is the third time I am explaining you 90 degree. Means drawing in front of you. So okay, this point and this point. This is 90 degree. So 90 degree here means here also 90 degree, here also 90 degree, both side. Okay? Yes or no? Both side 90 degree. Now we have to make 45 degree. 90 plus 45 equals to 135 because it is obtuse angle. Okay? So this is 90. Now we are going to make 45 degree. So we will have to make this side 45 degree because we need the obtuse angle. This measurement, now cut an arc here, cut another arc here, bisect this angle, means 45, 45, 90. So I have bisected this angle. This is 45 degree, okay. This here to here it is 90, 90 plus 45 equals to 135 degree. So you can see this angle here to here, this from here to here. Okay, this angle is 135 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle. So bisect this angle means we will put our compass here and pencil here. Measure this arc like this. Okay, make an arc here, put your compass here, make another arc here. Now join this point and this point, vertex of the angle and this intersection point of this two arc. So this is 135 degree and this is half of 135, this is half of 135. What is the half of 135? 67.5 degree. This angle is 67.5 degree and here to here this angle is 67.5 degree, half. This is the bisector. Okay, with red pen I am showing you so that it will be easy for you. Here to here is 67.5, here to here is 67.5 and this full complete angle is 135 degree. Got it? Practice it 2-3 times. Okay. Now question number 4. Draw line segment AB of length 6 cm. We will draw line segment, okay, of 6 cm. Then draw its perpendicular bisector PQ intersecting AB at point O. Is AO equals to OB? We have to measure also. Perpendicular bisector means, students, first of all we will draw a line segment, okay, of what? 6 cm. And after that we will bisect this line. Line bisector means just like angle was bisected into 2 equal halves. So line will also be bisected into 2 equal half. First of all we will draw a line segment AB of length 6 cm. After that we are going to bisect this. How to bisect a line segment? Understand properly. Okay. Put your compass here and take a radius more than half of this line. Suppose half is up to here. So more than half. More than half means here, here, anywhere you can take, but it should be more than half, not less than half. So I have taken more than half of this line. Okay. Half से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लोगे. Okay. More than half means suppose this is half, then more than half. Okay. Now cut an arc here and cut an arc here. Now with the same radius, with the same opening, you will put your compass at this end and cut an arc here and cut an arc here. Now you can see this two arc is meeting at this point, intersecting at this point. Now you have to join this 2 point. Join. Now this is the line bisector. This is bisecting, perpendicular bisector of this line segment. And this point is called P and this is Q because PQ is the PQ is intersecting line AB. Now you have to measure is AO is equal to OB because O is the intersecting point. So we have written here O. Now you see this is 6 cm, then AO should be 3 and BO should also be 3. You can see exactly 3 and let's measure BO is also exactly 3. You can see. Okay students. So we can say that OA is equal to OB. Yes, OA is equal to OB. That is equal to what? 3 centimeter. Got it? How to bisect the line? Question number 5, 6 we will do in the next video. Okay? Draw it properly.